Attendez, mais c'est une performance.
On performe. On aurait pour votre argent.
Il faut que les choses soient faites convenablement. Voilà. On y va, Jeanne?
Voilà.
Très bien.
Allez-y. Facebook tomorrow.
You didn't know Belgian people.
Donc ceci c'est ton corps, c'est ton corps que tu as moulé. Donc, ça, quoi,
il a déjà été mangé.
Oui, c'est la main.
Vous pouvez voir le reste. Voilà.
D'accord, on a mangé le doigt. Oui,
ici, il reste quelques orteils, mais...
D'accord. Voilà. Ah oui, c'est vraiment... D'accord. Qu'est-ce que ça te fait d'être mangé comme ça? Qu'est-ce que ça te fait d'être mangé?
J'ai un peu l'impression d'avoir laissé mon corps à la merci d'une armée d'inconnus et voilà.
Je sais juste que c'est Angélique.
Églantine Chaumont.
C'est Églantine Chaumont, voilà. Donc tu disais que tu avais fait, que tu parlais de la matière, que tu parlais chaque fois d'une matière.
Oui, parce que tu me demandais quel était le point de départ en m'évoquant la dernière scène et toutes les relations en général viennent après. Pour moi, le point de départ, c'est jamais une référence à quelque chose ou une idée précise de ce que je veux faire, mais c'est presque toujours une matière qui m'attire et avec laquelle j'ai envie de travailler et que je mets en relation avec mon corps. Et je parle de cette relation, ce qu'elle m'évoque, et c'est comme ça que je construis quelque chose. Voilà.
Et tu fais chaque fois participer les...
Non, c'est la première fois.
C'est ça, je trouve ça très fort.
Justement, j'ai souvent fait des performances où j'étais dans une grande intériorité, dans quelque chose d'assez, de très proche du rituel, très proche de la contemplation, de la méditation, et j'avais envie de sortir de ça et d'essayer quelque chose où le public avait plus de place et dans une relation plus simple aussi avec le public. Voilà, et j'avais envie de faire en sorte que ce soit eux qui continuent à faire vivre l'espace et la matière.
C'est la première fois que tu l'as fait?
C'est la première fois que je la fais, oui.
Et tu vas la refaire?
C'est pas prévu, mais j'aimerais bien. Mais ce n'est pas prévu.
L'origine ici est apparue comment? Quand as-tu décidé? C'est le pas, c'est le corps?
Ouf, ça c'est difficile parce que c'est une idée que j'ai depuis très longtemps. Ça germe tellement doucement que c'est difficile de... Je pense que c'est... ça vient petit à petit, c'est de voir, par exemple, ma mère faire le pain et comprendre le rapport entre, juste malaxer la pâte, c'est quelque chose de très sensuel. Là, il y a un rapport, je trouve, très fort entre la pâte et le corps, la pâte qui lève, c'est quelque chose de très vivant. Après, il y a ici le rapport au cannibalisme aussi, c'est quelque chose qui m'intéresse depuis très longtemps et que j'avais envie dont j'avais envie de parler. Voilà, notamment peut-être que ça a été renforcé. Enfin, oui, peut-être. Il y a un moment assez précis qui me revient. Simplement, j'ai regardé un film de Greenaway il y a pas très longtemps. Et c'est vrai que là, je me suis dit, bon, le cannibalisme, je veux vraiment parler de ça. Ça m'a peut-être donné envie. Un petit coup de pouce.
En tout cas, un grand merci.
Nous passerons à travers les âges sans les suivre.
Generally, I'm interested in performance.
Yes.
And I'm interested to develop performance art in different kind of society in Europe or anywhere in the world. And I'm interested to communicate with people to organize possibilities to make performance happen. And it's very important, but in the relation to the other art, performance have not so much power.
Okay.
But what has happened in performance is important.
You have an archivius in Germany.
Yes, I have
about
performance art.
What do you think about performance art today? Is very important for the people, or it's only in the past?
No. When you really think about it, what's going on in the life of body of a person, you will see most of the people when they start to going on to be in the society, to play a role in the society, to be really in a kind of cultural exchange. The best way is to make it in performance. Later, a lot of people have done it in the first 10 years in his life, make performance. Later, they make some objects, for example, Chris Burden. No? The first 5 years he made performance, later he made sculpture and installation and so on. So it is a clever way. But in the beginning, the translation of your life interests and how you make to bring it in form, to make a translation of this is a performance the best way.
Do you prefer life, not art? You prefer?
This is not a good way to say life or art or life. The translation, for me, is the basic. Is a human being. As a human being, have interest to communicate with the society, to communicate with different person, and how is a very good way to communicate to make performance. And it's not a question about art. I'm not really interested in art, but the art living from performance. That is clear. But to really to work, to understand, when you look in the history, where the people don't say it's performance, but people done it. The last 2,000 years, we will find a lot of people doing some things to communicate into society, to provoke and anything.
Okay.
Today we call it performance.
We can go on without art. We can go on with only communication.
When you ask me direct, I said yes. We don't need art.
We don't need art.
No, we don't need art. What we need is really the communication between people and how you translate it as a form in this way of communication. And all these forms is very important. And how you do it. People call it performance. And the term performance is now 800 years old. And when the people called it performance, they don't speak about art. For the 12th century, 13th century, when the people use the term performance, it was all times how somebody done some things in so good way. People said, "Oh, it was not a speech; it was a performance. It was really the way how you do it." Okay. It is an ethnographical and anthropological question.
What do you prefer with these three performers you have seen
It's a very big question. It's all a big question. So a fucking art history, art critic way. I'm not interested in this. To communicate with the people is more interesting to say, to speak together, to sit here and ask what you're doing, what has happened, what you mean. Maybe I don't saw it really, and then we can make a kind to develop together a critic on that. Now I understand. But in this, it was not a good translation of your feeling, of your thinking, in the form. This way of communication is for me more interesting, not to prefer and to make.
Yes, but in your life, you have seen many performances.
Yeah, in the last.
Do you remember one performance you have very?
A lot. Much. Too much.
One. Yeah, do you remember one you have? I don't know. Maybe.
Oh yes, I will tell you one performance, and that's interesting.
Yes.
It was a room. You have to go with the camera there. Yes. It was a room, and the audience coming in, and then the artist gave somebody to close the doors, so the audience don't don't see the door was closed. And the artist was in the middle of the room, and they had some fabric over the head, and they have a fabric over the hand, so, and walking through the room and coming to a person, make it. And then he walk around, and after some minutes, 10, 15, he go around, and then he make. And then he puts this away, this fabric away, and have a knife. And then he running through the room and make, and all the audience get want to go out. Nothing was happened, but for me I was laughing. But he was so under control. Why is the audience come to be? And that is the question. That is understanding about society, about the logical phenomena, what is happening with the audience, and to see a person absolutely under control. It was a wonderful Dutch artist called Nicolaas Urban. Nobody speak about today about him. All speak about Abramovich of fucking things. And this, it is. And this wonderful guy shows some things, really what's going on with you. Never I will kill somebody with a knife. It was, and the audience, and this is different. It's wonderful. And in this way exist a lot of wonderful people. Nobody speak about them.